Okay, so today we are going to take class about the very basics about ASP.NET. Okay, so you may heard about a lot of technical words like the Visual Studio, a .NET framework, ASP.NET, C Sharp.NET, ADO.NET, SQL. Okay, so I want you to be familiarized with all these concepts. Okay, first, when you're going to develop any project, that project will have minimum three tier. Okay, so three-tier architecture, we say that. Okay, you need a minimum three-tier architecture. So what are the three-tier architecture? The first one is the front end. Okay, then you need a middleware component you need, and the back end. Okay, so these three are basics. See, if you take an example of our Facebook, so what is the front end in the Facebook? The design. Okay, you have the blue color, you have the profile picture, you have that what advertisements. So everything will come under the front end. Okay, and what is middleware? Okay, you have designed a page, but there should be some logical what operations, right? See, for example, when you click share button, your image is shared. This Facebook, I'm telling. When you click the share button in the Facebook, that content will be shared. So we need to write a coding for that. Or if you take a simple login page itself, when you click your login button, it has to check whether your user ID password is matching. Okay, that is the middleware and the back end. So what is the back end? We say that your pictures. So you have taken your phone and you saved one picture. Okay, that picture will be saved in the back end. So next time when you open in desktop your Facebook, again you can see it clear. So that is the front end, middleware, and back end. So that's what. So the ASP or active server page, I'm telling about ASP.NET. Okay, so what ASP will do, active server page is nothing but the front end component, and the C Sharp.NET is for the middleware, and ADO.NET is for the backend. Clear? Okay. So front end, middleware, and backend. So for front end, we use languages like HTML, jQuery, VB script. Also, we use CSS. We use master pages for designing and all. Okay. And for middleware, we use languages like C Sharp. We can use VB. We can use Java. Clear. And for backend, we use SQL, MySQL, Oracle. We can use MS Access for it. So you got to understand, no? So what is front end, what is middleware, what is backend, and also what is ASP, what is C Sharp, ADO. When I show you, when I open Visual Studio, you'll understand it. Okay. Now, now I'll come to what is Visual Studio. So if someone asks you what is Visual Studio, your first answer should be that is IDE. IDE means Integrated Development Environment. That's very easy. I am integrating. I am integrating my ASP. I'm integrating with C Sharp. I'm integrating with ADO.NET, or I want to integrate with MTM, some testing tool. I want to integrate with IntelliTrace. Okay, I want to integrate with Ajax. So what happened is I'm integrating my project with other tools. Okay, for that I use Visual Studio. Clear? .NET Framework. So what is .NET Framework? See, listen, as I told you, I'm using many languages here. Correct? The front end I use HTML, I use VB script, or jQuery, JavaScript, and I use C Sharp. I can also use Java in .NET. Okay, I'm using SQL. So what happened is like I need a framework which can integrate all the languages what I used in my project. Okay, so the .NET framework is used for that. So it will take maybe the first is JavaScript. It will take it. It will build it. to remove the space. Again, the same space is allocated for running the C sharp compiler, that part. Okay, so that is the .NET framework. Okay, so Visual Studio is the IDE, and .NET framework is a collection of languages. ASP. ASP means Active Server Page, the platform where we use for designing a web page. Okay, and C sharp .NET is used for writing the middleware or business logic for my screen developed. ADO is a method for connecting with front end and backend. SQL is a software used for connecting with my front end and backend. So I use SQL Server Management Studio for the software used for that integrating. So you got an idea, right? What is Visual Studio? What is .NET Framework? So these are very basic things. Okay.